So students, this is just to explain how the 52 card deck, how it is or what it is. Okay, so let us start. There are, so when you, for example, this is to show you how to do one example which is there in your max textbook. Now how the 52 card deck is arranged is, there are, for example, this is ace. So there are, first of all, let's count how many cards are there. 1, 2, and you can see 2 is written there. 2, 3, the card name itself is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. So there are 13 cards. Okay, now first card they don't write 1, they call it ace. And second card, third card, all they write the numbers 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And the 11th card they call it jack. It's a picture card that it doesn't have a number. Then there's another card which is king, called king, and then there's another card which is called queen. So there are three picture cards plus ace, 4, plus this 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 9 cards, which is totally 13 cards. Okay, now that is not the total number, but 13 cards. Then again there is another 13. So these 13 cards are called clubs. Okay, clubs. Why? Because this shape is called clubs. Okay, the shape is called club. Now, so these 13 cards are under the category clubs. Similar to these 13 cards, there are another set of 13 cards, okay, which are called spades, because the symbol is the symbol of a spade. Do you see the difference between these two symbols? Do you see that? Everything else is the same. This is ace, this is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, jack, king and queen. Everything is the same except the symbol is different. Do you see that? This is spade, this is club. In jack, king, queen, everything, the symbol is different, but the name is the same. Do you see that? But the category, it comes under spades. Similarly, there's again another set of 13 cards which is called diamonds, because it has the shape of a diamond. I mean, the symbol is diamond, but everything else is the same. It is the same order: ace 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, jack, king and queen. Okay, now there is one more set of 13 cards which is called hearts, because the symbol is the symbol that is usually referred to hearts. Do you see that? But the order is the same: ace 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, jack, king and queen. Do you see that? Now students, why do I show you all this? It is because when questions containing cards comes up, I don't want you to mess it up. Now, what is the total number of cards? We know that each row has 13 cards, and there are, how many rows are there? 13 into 4 rows are there: clubs, spades, diamonds and hearts. So 13 into 4, which gives you 13 into 4, that is 52. So totally there are 52 cards, and that is why this is called the 52 card deck. Okay, now these 4 cards are called, and then there is these 4 cards, and then there's these 4 cards and these 4 cards. These set of 4 cards have different names. For example, this is called ace, and we saw that, which actually refers to 1. Instead of 1, they call it ace. Then this set is called jack. So there are 4 types of jack: jack of clubs, jack of spades, jack of hearts and jack of diamonds. Then there is another set of 4 cards which is called king king of clubs, king of spades, king of hearts, king of diamonds. Another set, queen, queen of clubs, queen of spades, queen of diamonds, queen of hearts. So there are these 4 sets of 4 cards. Okay, anyways, I know that I'm not teaching anything of probability in this video, but I see that in your textbook, in your curriculum, you have questions relating to 52 card deck. So I just wanted to explain this is how it works. Okay, now with this knowledge, I would like you to do the example question that is there in your textbook regarding this. Okay, so thank you students for listening. That will be all, and we have completed our portion for this academic year.